listen and let me introduce to you the parts and its function of this Toyota Innova 2.8 power engine. So be with me and learn. So first, this is roof, protecting the occupant's vehicle from sun, rain and wind and other external elements. This is windshield, protecting the occupant's vehicle and interior of the car from sun, wind, rain, and other external elements that you may encounter on the roads. This is wiper, used to clean the windshield of the car at the front. This is headlight, used to illuminate the roadway and to facilitate fatigue-free and safe driving. This is bumper, reduce and protect the physical damage at the front and rear of the car, and also it protects the hood, trunk, grille, fuel, exhaust, and cooling system. This is front fender. Each wheel has a separate fender liner. Its job is to block mud, dirt, water, environmental toxins, and other impurities. This is car hood or bonnet, used to protect the engine and connected parts of the vehicle. This is car grille. Is a component helps the air circulation of the engine room. This is wing mirror. Helps the driver to see the areas behind and the sides of the vehicle. This is wheel, to provide necessary tractions to the road surface so that the vehicle can move. This is door, used to entering and exiting from vehicle. This is fuel tank, used to restore gasoline of this car. This is compartment, you can put here the large things. This is fog lamp, used to enhance visibility of the road, especially when in bad weather conditions. Window, admit daylight and provide a view. This is battery, provide power to start your vehicle. This is power steering fluid. This is essential car fluid that keeps your vehicle running. This is radiator fan, used to regulate the engine temperature. This is car engine coolant, used to reduce corrosion and engine rust. This is car engine, machine that burns fuel and converts it into mechanical power. Seatbelt is a vehicle safety device that used to secure the driver or the passenger. Handbrake, use the vehicle securely motionless when parked. Steering wheel, used to control the direction of the wheel. Accelerator, used to control the speed of the car. Brake, used to decelerate to stop the car. Clutch, used to press in order to change gear. Gear, used for changing rotational speed. Dashcam, used to record footages while driving.